I'm here to demonstrate a way to clean your bed sheets without wasting dozens of gallons of water and burning unnecessary energy from washing and drying. If your sheets have accumulation of debris such as dog hair or whatever, you can actually use your vacuum cleaner to clean it up. It will also pull up a lot of bed bugs and dander. I'm going to wear ear protection because this vacuum cleaner is particularly loud. There, that only took maybe 30 seconds. Saved me all the hassle of taking it off, putting it in the washer and putting it in the dryer and having to wait and worrying about it catching on fire in the dryer and all that nonsense. Save time and money and help the environment. Great idea, huh?